Technology's supposed to help you to be as productive as you possibly can be. That's what's really annoying when your computer lags behind and slows you down. Don't worry though, slow computer speeds can often be fixed when you know what to look for. Here are 3 reasons why your computer could be slow. 1. Too many applications are open at one time. Having 300 Chrome tabs open does make a difference. 2. Your hard drive or memory is maxed out. Or 3, the bad one, your computer could be infected by a virus or malware. Don't put up with slow devices. Call us instead. We'll help by performing diagnostic tests to find out what's causing the problem, and then fix it for you, helping you to work at full speed and concentrate on what really matters.